Salt River, Clarendon. Skeleton remains confirmed the identity to be that of the missing educator. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari, so to here on Deeproots TV. If you have not subscribed, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Help build up the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rastaman channel. As Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime portfolio, Fitzbailey on Monday said forensic test has confirmed that the skeleton remains found on Monday, June 3rd in Salt River, Clarendon are definitely those of educator Daniel Anglin, who disappeared after leaving her Hellshire Park home in St. Catherine on Monday, May 13, when she went missing. Bailey said that the police on Wednesday, July 10th, convicted S.O., 45-year-old taxi operation, Lascence Morgan, for Wildorin, St. Catherine, for the killing and kidnapping with respect to Anglin, who was the teacher at St. Peter's Calvary Primary and Infant School in St. Andrew. A court date has, however, not yet been set to finalize for Morgan, who has admitted to his involvement in the disappearance of the educator. DCP Bailey on June 4th, after news emerged that investigators had led cops to skeleton remains in Salt River, just over 23 miles from Anglin's home, had told the newspaper that while the police were awaiting forensic to verify the body given the weight of the evidence collected so far, statement from the convicted felon admitting the involvement, the cops are certain that he's the man who committed the crime. According to Bailey, the driver, who has been arrested and charged in 2015 by the police for SO, was also convicted in Antigua, for SO offenses and deported to Jamaica. Bailey also said that investigators believe that the 29-year-old educator was killed the same day she disappeared, solving the mystery of what happened after she left the home for work on that day. We have identified that she was picked up by the suspect. I can also say that with the help of the Jamaica Eye, we were able to identify a specific route which the motor car that she was traveling went. We were able to identify some specific item throughout the Jamaica Eye system, so we believe that she was taken to the location based on an analysis that was done by the Communication Forensic and Cyber Crime Division. We believe that she was taken to that specific location and killed, Bailey said at that time. He told the newspaper that the investigation team comprised of CFCD members of St. Catherine South Criminal Investigation Branch and Scene of Crimes and Criminal Investigation Branch visited Anglin's community and school, conducted interviews. The senior cop said investigators utilized available technologies and forensic capabilities which allowed the identification of the number of vehicles and access the analyzing the vehicle for interest and thereafter identifying it. The driver of the vehicle was subsequently identified and taken into custody following investigation. Again, with the use of technologies, we were able to identify and locate the Salt River Clarendon as the last identifiable location where Miss Angle were held. As a direct result, a number of search were done within section of St. Catherine and Clarendon, Bailey said. Anglin, a graduate of St. Joseph Teachers College and Excelsior High School, was last seen about 5:50 a.m. on Monday, May 13, 2024, while on her way to work. Unfortunate. Unbelievable. Another situation out of Jamaica. Why me island them stay so? Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in South Florida. And me a beg on no please, make the place safer. Holy promises and hydrants are saying we have to preserve the beauty and the paradise that we have been given by the Most High, and the only people them way a mess up Jamaica are Jamaican man. Me a telling you, it's rare. You hear Jamaican woman charged for these crimes. Rare, but they might turn it up. Me a tell you, like father, like son, like mother, like daughter, we need a better Jamaica. We need a safer Jamaica. We need some more love, Jamaica. Where is the love for your brothers and your sister? A beautiful woman, achieving, a graduate, an educator, a teacher, serving her people, serving her country. You know how much education it takes to get your degree, to be a teacher. My condolences to all friends and families of Miss Anglin, to all women and children out there that shook by this news, to know that this criminal, this crook, could take this woman out of her shoes on her way to school to take care of the little youths and deal with our wicked. Imagine, just like a brute, skeleton remains have proven that Miss Anglin was taken for her last ride to her demise. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV reporting live. A more life and a more joy. Show love to my people, especially the women and children. Because real men take care of their women and children. Let's get together and make Jamaica safe again. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen.
No, beat down my fist. Big up Rastafari Soldier, you're watching Deeproots TV.
Boom bang bang.
Boom bam bang.
Mad.
Mad love, respect, brethren.
I mean, man, I love fun people.